Do you ever wonder what it takes to get your winter lawn looking great? That's what this video is about. My name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona. I took 4 to 5 videos over the past month showing exactly what it took to get this yard up and running and looking absolutely beautiful using perennial rye seed and mulch topper, which really increases the speed to get the seed to germinate much faster and getting the lawn looking great a lot quicker. So please enjoy the videos and let me know what you think. Planted winter lawn, winter perennial seed on Wednesday of this week, which is a couple days ago. Used some mulch topper and gonna show examples of how it comes in over the next few weeks. As it never comes in 100% evenly. And I just want to have a good example for people to see. It's been 8 days since we planted. As you can see, it's coming in really well. There are some few spots that might need a little more seed, but for the most part, a lot of it is pretty dense. And it's only been just over a week. All the shaded areas really like to come in pretty quick. But even the full sun out here is doing pretty good this year. October 10th. It's been exactly a week since I did the last video. As you can just see, that one area that was still a little sparse, but it's mostly filled in everywhere. Looking really green and lush. Should be ready for a mow here, probably in about a week. Came in kind of quick this year. I feel maybe slightly faster than normal. Still a few little bare areas, but even this full sun area has gotten pretty thick. There's still a little more sparse if you look up close over it, but for the most part it's pretty lush. So it'll just need to be filled in those sparse areas, but other than that, it came out really good this year. All right, we are gonna mow this week. The grass is looking really good. That thin spot there is kind of filled in for the most part. You can just see it's all looking thick and lush. It's pretty tall. It's due for a mow. For sure. This will be week 4 on Wednesday. And even the full sun areas pretty much come in all the way. A little sparse here on this edge here, the corner, and that edge right there. But we will reseed these areas, but everything else is just thick and dense. It's been exactly a month, and we mowed here just 2 days ago. The grass has filled in nicely. Even the previous bare area here is completely filled. Yeah, just came in really nice. I did this type of video a few years back without using mulch topper, and this time it filled in much nicer and much more quickly. It was pretty green, a lot more thoroughly green within a week after planting. There's still bare areas here that we reseeded, but for the most part, the grass looks filled way better this year. Hopefully these videos helped you and with your journey if you're installing a winter lawn this year. And if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us here at AMS Landscaping at azlawns.com. Also check out our YouTube channels and Facebook pages at AMS Landscaping, or check us out on Instagram or X at AZLawns. Make it a great day.